Let's learn the accusative case suffix in Turkish. It has 4 variations, and these are I, U, Ü, and U. This is because it's an I suffix, which means that it will either be flat or round. And we decide this looking at the previous vowel in the word that we are attaching it to. So we will see some examples like used in normal sentences, and then we will see the accusative case suffix attached to noun compounds, which a lot of people struggle with because it uses a different buffer sound than normal with noun compounds. So let's see all about that. Kitap okuyorum. I am reading a book. So no accusative case, just kitap. And then there is bu kitabı okuyorum. Bu kitap, pointing at the book, determining what book, which book it is, makes it determined. Therefore, we need to use the accusative case in this case. When the object, because remember, the accusative case is the object marker suffix. So when the object is determined, when we know what thing it is, when it's not just one random thing, we use this case. So bu kitabı okuyorum. I'm reading this book. Bahçede bir adam görüyorum. So I see a man in the garden. No accusative case because it's a man. You don't know which one, just a man. But then we can make it more specific. Bahçede bir adam var. Now we've made it more specific. O adamı görüyorum. I see that man. So we've pointed at it. O adamı görüyorum. So we see that man. Very good. And then also keep in mind, when we use the accusative case with noun compounds, meaning when we attach the accusative case to a noun compound, when necessary, it uses a buffer sound, which is different than the buffer sound that it normally uses, which is the yeah sound. Yeah. Çocuğun ailesini arıyorlar. They are looking for the kid's family, or they're calling the kid's family. Because it's the kid's family, the thing, aile, family, being in a compound automatically makes it determined because we know which family it is. It is the kid's family. Other examples are hafta sonu Ali'nin arabasını alıyorum. I'm taking Ali's car at the weekend. Senin yemeğini getiriyorum. I'm bringing you your food. And çayını içiyor musun? Are you drinking your tea? So these are all examples with noun compounds and the accusative case suffix. Ben araba seviyorum. Özellikle kırmızı arabaları çok seviyorum. Senin araban da kırmızı. O yüzden senin arabanı çok seviyorum. Okay, so we have ben araba seviyorum. I like cars, just in general, not just one specific car, but I like cars. And then we make it specific by saying özellikle, especially, I like red cars. Kırmızı arabaları seviyorum, çok seviyorum. Ve senin araban da kırmızı. O yüzden senin arabanı çok seviyorum. And then we have this buffer sound because it's your car. Senin arabanı çok seviyorum. Oh, sorry, that's not a buffer sound. That just belongs to that's just the noun compound like that. Senin araban. That's right. Let's look at the next one. Burada bir çay var. So here is a cup of tea, a tea. Bu çayı Seda içiyor. Seda is drinking this tea. Ve Seda'ya çayını veriyorum. I'm giving her tea. So now there is a buffer sound. çayı. So Seda'nın çayı, right? So this is Seda'nın çayı, right? It's her cup of tea, and then I'm giving her tea, which makes it specific. You can get the full course. There is a lot more to this. There are exercises, assignments with feedback, downloadable materials, video content, vocabulary, everything. Check the description and you'll find the link. See you in the next one.